Welcome to South America, a continent of diverse landscapes, rich cultures, and vibrant cities waiting to be explored. From the lush Amazon rainforest to the majestic Andes Mountains, South America offers travelers an unforgettable journey filled with adventure, history, and natural beauty. Join us as we uncover the top 5 countries to visit in South America, each offering its own unique blend of experiences and attractions. Number 5. Argentina. Our journey begins in Argentina, a land of tango, steak, and stunning natural wonders. Explore the vibrant streets of Buenos Aires, known as the Paris of South America, and witness the breathtaking beauty of the Iguazu Falls, one of the largest waterfalls in the world. Experience the thrill of hiking in Patagonia, home to towering glaciers and rugged mountain peaks, and indulge in the country's rich culinary traditions, from sizzling asado barbecues to delicious empanadas. Number 4. Colombia. Next up, we have Colombia, a country of magical realism and vibrant culture. Explore the colorful streets of Cartagena, with its colonial architecture and Caribbean charm, and journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. Discover the ancient ruins of Ciudad Perdida, hike to the towering wax palms of the Cauca Valley, and sample Colombia's world-renowned coffee in the lush hills of the Coffee Triangle. Number 3. Peru. Moving on to Peru, a land of ancient civilizations and breathtaking landscapes. Explore the mystical ruins of Machu Picchu, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and embark on a culinary journey through the bustling streets of Lima, the gastronomic capital of South America. Discover the vibrant colors of the Sacred Valley, cruise along the tranquil waters of Lake Titicaca, and hike to the spectacular Rainbow Mountain, a hidden gem in the Andes. Number 2. Brazil. Next on our list is Brazil, a country of samba, soccer, and stunning natural beauty. Experience the excitement of Rio de Janeiro, with its iconic beaches, lively samba clubs, and towering Christ the Redeemer statue overlooking the city. Explore the vast wetlands of the Pantanal, home to an incredible array of wildlife, and journey deep into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Discover the breathtaking beauty of the Iguazu Falls, a natural wonder shared with Argentina, and soak up the sun on the pristine beaches of Bahia and Fernando de Noronha. Number 1. Chile. Rounding out our list is Chile, a country of extremes and unparalleled natural beauty. Explore the otherworldly landscapes of the Atacama Desert, the driest desert in the world, and marvel at the stunning glaciers and fjords of Patagonia. Discover the vibrant street art scene of Valparaiso, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and sample Chile's world-class wines in the fertile valleys of the Central Valley. Experience the thrill of hiking in Torres del Paine National Park, with its towering granite peaks and crystal-clear lakes, and embark on an unforgettable journey to Easter Island, home to the enigmatic Moai statues. There you have it, our top 5 countries to visit in South America. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu in Peru, dancing the night away in Rio de Janeiro, or hiking in the breathtaking landscapes of Chile, South America offers travelers an unforgettable journey filled with adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these countries? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!